What's up guys, it's Mike from Tech, and this is my unboxing and quick review of the Nokia 2.4. Since Nokia dropped their Windows operating systems, they've embraced Google so much that their operating system runs purely on Android, just like the Google Pixel devices. And rightly so, this one comes with Android 11 straight out of the box, and for 40,000 Naira, around 90 USD, let's find out if this Nokia 2.4 is worth your hard-earned money in 2020. Let's get started. So the first thing you will notice is this is not a regular tall rectangular hard to open but deeply satisfying box. I mean, this is a bit tall, rectangular, and kind of difficult to open, but you know what I mean. This box actually reminds me of the 2020 iPhone 12 box, except that it's a bit wider because there's absolutely no reason to remove the charging brick and other accessories. Over to the back, we find some few interesting specs like the large immersive 6.5-inch display, 13-megapixel dual rear cameras, 2-day battery life, Google Assistant button, and Android 11 ready. Okay, here we get the smartphone on the left compartment. It looks like we have the blue colored variant here. Let's keep it aside and see what else we get in the box. Opening the right compartment, we get the charging brick, the wired earphone, and surprisingly a micro USB cord. At least it's good to see nothing is missing from this box. So back to the smartphone. Yeah, you're not the only one seeing this. Those thick bezels are real. This certainly isn't winning any award for the best screen to body ratio in 2020. Not at all. I'll just skip the awful long boot up process because I don't want to bore you with all those shenanigans, as tech sports will say. Alright, we're inside the UI, and the first thing I notice is that there is zero bloatware in this smartphone, and believe you me, I've never unboxed a smartphone with such a clean aesthetic. But as we know, a clean software can only do so much. This is clear in the minimal labs we notice when we drag down the notification bar, due to the fact that this smartphone is powered by an underpowered MediaTek Helio P22. Well, you gain some, you lose some, I guess. Coming to the cameras, here we have a dual 13-megapixel main shooter and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. And I'm sorry to say this, but this front-facing camera won't cut it at all if you're interested in photography. The back camera is a bit decent, not the best in the world, but it's usable. Let's not forget that all the 3 cameras of the iPhone 12 Pro are all 12-megapixel sensors, and they are world class. So this will do the trick, I guess. For the rest of the specs, you get a 720 by 1600 LCD panel that measures 6.5 inches across the board, the Helio P22 processor, a 4500 mAh battery. You get up to 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and is running on clean Android 11. With the aforementioned specs, you get to expect a clean software experience and okay performance, meaning that it will do well with light games and also excellent in battery life. The fact that most phones in 2020 have come out with super batteries tend to make this one feel a little bit unspecial. But as long as battery life is concerned, this is a 2-day phone. And if you are not an intense gamer and you love having a smooth, easy software experience without breaking your bank, then I suggest that you go for this Nokia 2.4 because there's no other phone that beats it at this price. Alright, thank you all for watching. If you loved what you saw, kindly subscribe and turn on post notifications by smashing the bell icon, and I'll see you when I see you in my next video. Peace.